this sin square b upon cos square a. Okay. Now cos this denominator is cos square a. So it becomes equals to 1 minus sin square b upon cos square a. Right? Now 1 minus sin square b is what? Cos square b. How? See this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Therefore take sin square theta on the other side. 1 minus sin square theta equals to cos square theta. Therefore cos square b upon cos square a means our expression becomes. So solve it again. Cos square b upon sin square a. Why? Sorry, sin square b. Why? Because cos a equals to sin b. So cos square a equals to sin square b. Right? So you can write this cos b upon sin b the whole square. But what is cos b upon sin b? Say this. Tan theta equals to sin upon cos, and cot is cos upon sin. So what are we having now? Cos upon sin. So it will be cot. So our expression becomes cot square b. So check what is given in the exam. If it's in terms of b, then cot square b. If it's given in terms of a, then you'll have to convert this cot b into a and then solve. Quite a big problem. So download Yuvaguru app from Play Store. Get videos to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.